There has been some sort of meltdown as far as broader markets are concerned since the month of August has started. Remember that in the context of the bull rally that preceded this particular correction, it may look minuscule because the Nifty Small and the Mid Cap indices more than doubled for themselves from their pandemic lows. So 5 to 7.5% correction that we are referring to may not be too large in magnitude. Nevertheless, it has brought down some stocks significantly. More than 10, 15, 20% is the kind of correction that we have seen in some of the stocks. But let me just map out how the indices have played out in the month of August so far. The Nifty has returned a positive 2%, while the Nifty Bank has outperformed with a 2.5% return to its investors. On the flip side, Nifty Mid Cap Index is down 5% and the Small Cap Index is down as much as 7.5%. Now let's dissect the broader market indices, which is the Nifty Mid and the Small Cap Index. Starting off with the Nifty Mid Cap Index, which has traded below its 50-day moving average for the first time since April this year. Remember that the 50-day moving average is the first line of defense that the bulls will actually look to defend. It has corrected 5% in the last 5 days, which is the biggest correction in at least a month now, and a closer look reveals that more than 70 out of the 100 stocks have managed to decline so far in August. The top loser being HAL down 22%, L&T Tech down 19%, Dalmia Bharat down 18%, Concor down 12%, and Hindustan Zinc down 11%. Moving on to the Nifty Small Cap Index, that too has traded below its 50-day moving average for the first time since April this year. It has corrected 8% in the last 6 days, and that's the biggest correction that we've had in over 3 months. Remember that this too has been broad-based because more than 80 out of the 100 stocks that trade on the Nifty Small Cap Index have managed to decline so far this month. The top loser being Sequent Scientific and Future Retail, 21% correction in the month so far, followed by Hindustan Copper, which has lost 18%, Vakrangi as well as Aegis Logistics losing 17% each. Lastly, talking about the Nifty 500 index, because that is the largest index in terms of stock composition that trades in the Indian exchanges. Nearly 400 out of the 500 stocks have declined so far in this month. The top losers once again being Future Retail and Sequent Scientific, which have managed to decline 20% each. IOB and Vodafone Idea along with Dhani Services have also managed to decline more than 20% so far in this month. But suffice to say that there has been some bit of correction after the huge bull market rally that we saw for the broader market indices, which is the Nifty Small and the Mid Cap Index.